it comes to traveling with baby, the first thing that comes to our mind along with the car seat is stroller. Whether you want to go to the park, go for a walk, or for shopping, strollers come handy where your baby is safe and comfortable. So in this video, I'm going to do the product review of Graco Morse 3 Lite DLX Click Connect stroller, and I'm also going to share with you all how to assemble it. Watch this video till the end because I'm going to share with you all some useful tips. So stay tuned. Stroller comes in different types, size and price ranges. When you want to buy a stroller, first of all you need to list down the needs for the stroller. Whether you want to buy a stroller for your baby or twins, what type of stroller you prefer, full-size stroller, umbrella or lightweight stroller, jogger stroller, or you would like to go for a travel system in which you will get a car seat which can easily connect with the stroller. Once you list down all your requirements or the need for the stroller, the next thing that you should consider is a budget. There are strollers that comes in the normal range, mid-range and high range. So deciding a budget will help you to narrow down your search. Once you decide on budget, it's necessary to look for the quality stroller which is sturdy, safe, comfortable, easy to use and easy to clean. It's always good to research about a stroller online, so read reviews, look at different features, list down them and then visit the store. This will help you not to get overwhelmed when you visit the store and you know exactly what you're looking for. It's good to narrow down your search for 2 to 3 strollers, compare them with the price, features and your requirements. So let me share with you all how we have assembled the Graco Morse 3 Lite DLX Click Connect stroller and its features.
So we bought this online and we received its delivery within 1 week. So these are the parts of the Graco Morse 3 Lite DLX Click Connect. It comes with the instruction manual which contains information such as how to assemble, cleaning and maintenance, do's and don'ts, and other product related information. So we are going to follow the steps given in this manual. First of all, it's good to check whether you have all the parts available in the package as mentioned in this guide. Keep all parts separate so it will be easy to assemble the same. So this package includes baby seat, 2x hubcap, 2x pin, brake levers, axle rod, front wheels, parent's tray with cup holder, child's tray with cup holder, canopy and back wheels. So first we are going to install the back wheels. So we have opened the stroller and kept it upside down so we can install the brake levers first, one on this side and other on that side. When you install it, you can hear click sound, and when you lock it, you can hear another click sound. Make sure brake levers are installed in upward direction. Next, insert the axle rod through the axle opening, then place a wheel on the axle like this. Now we are inserting 2x pin. Pin must face up. Once you install the pin, then wheel will not come out. Now we are inserting 2x hubcap. Press it hard so it will fit properly. So as you can see here, wheels are moving right now. Once you lock them, they will not move. After installing both the wheels, now we are going to install the front wheel. In order to do that, press and hold the spring button under the front wheel, then attach the front wheel like this and it's done. Pull the wheels to make sure that they are attached properly. You can lock and unlock the front wheel. When you unlock it, it will rotate 360 degrees. After installing all wheels, now it's time to attach the parent's tray, canopy and child tray. Simply insert the tray into the slot. Initially we find it little difficult, but then we figure it out. Next step is to install the canopy on the toddler seat. So insert a canopy wire into this canopy mounts like this. Once attached properly, you can hear tuck sound. Now on the back side, attach the canopy with the toddler seat with the help of this velcro. Now attach the toddler seat to the stroller and open the footrest. Finally, we are installing a child's tray. This is optional. You can attach a toddler seat whichever direction you want, facing towards you or facing against you. If you like to remove the toddler seat, then push the grey button under the toddler seat on both sides and it will detach the toddler seat from the stroller. So our stroller is ready. Let's have a look at its features. Before placing a baby into the stroller, make sure to lock the wheels, so push them down. Then gently place the baby and fasten safety straps. Insert shoulder strap onto waist strap and then snap it into buckle. In order to unlock, press the middle button. Remove strap cover and then adjust the strap as per your need. Use slide adjust to adjust it further, which is located on the back of the toddler seat. You can recline or raise a toddler seat with the help of this strap, which is located behind the toddler seat. Just push the button and pull the strap to raise the seat. You can adjust the canopy as per your need. There is a peekaboo window, so you can always check your baby. It has ample storage at the back, so you can carry baby's diaper bag and other necessary items while traveling.
It has ample storage in the parent's tray as well, so you can store your mobile, keys, drink or juice, etc. You can always lock or unlock front wheel of the stroller. If you don't want it to rotate to 360 degrees, then simply push the button down to lock it and push up to unlock.
We are ready to go for a ride now. Before we go, we place this mesh cover which we bought from Amazon. It's not included in this package. It's helpful during summertime when bugs are out there, so it's must have. So if you'd like to buy the same, then I have mentioned link for the same in the description box below. Don't go anywhere, we have not finished yet. Now I'll share with you all how to place a car seat on the stroller. The stroller stands on its own when you lock stroller wheels. So open stroller lock on the side and lift up the handle of the stroller. In order to close the stroller, just pull up the release strap and pull down the stroller handle. To insert a car seat, push it down until it connects with the stroller, so you can hear tuck sound. Pull it to make sure it's attached properly. To remove a car seat, squeeze handle at the back of the car seat and pull up. You can place the car seat on stroller in any direction you want. So we like this stroller and car seat. It's lightweight, sturdy, easy to use and clean, affordable and most of all safe for baby. So if you like to buy the Graco stroller, then I have mentioned the link for the same in the description box below.
That's it. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. So don't forget to hit that like button, share and subscribe. Till then, ciao.